Hey Anthony, I'm here at History Park. I just wanted to show you what it's about. So every time there's a building that's in danger of being demolished, the Historical Society raises money and brings them out here. That's an old cigar worker's cottage. This fountain used to be in front of the Hotel Punta Gorda that burnt down in 1959. This is the first commercial building in Punta Gorda. It was the land sales office. This is a home that belonged to 3 generations of one of the founding families. And as we walk down here, this is the area with the picnic tables where I thought you could do your demonstration. And then there's a parking lot right back there, so you can park there and just walk right over, so it's not very far. And in the very back, I'll just show you real quick, it's the first jail cell that existed here in Punta Gorda. It's always a fun place to bring people to show them the jail cell. And of course, a lot of people believe there's spirits in this little jail cell. Can you see that? There it is. We'll talk to you soon.